All right, guys. So day 3 of getting to that $250,000 goal in trading. I just want to kind of let you know the program I use and what I'm using. So I use Bitsgap, and Bitsgap is basically a trader. It trades for you. You could activate a bot on it, so that does everything automatically. And let's see here. So all these are being traded automatically for me. You can see that it's making profits every minute there. And I use KuCoin. KuCoin is my exchange that I like to use. There's a lot of coins on here that you could choose from. But, depending on where you are, you could use Binance, you could use Coinbase, Crypto.com. There's so many platforms that you could use. I'm just going to turn this TV down. But the one that I like is KuCoin. And I basically just connect my Bitsgap through to KuCoin with the API, and it trades for you, right? So it starts making you money all the time. And so I want to take this to 250,000 by December of this year, and so I'm going to keep you guys updated on it. So I just wanted to kind of show you that. And crypto is down at the moment. Let's check it out here. Overview. Usually they have. So we'll go here and let's check it out right here. USDT, BTC, and it's down to 61,000, and we're closing in on the halving. So it's pretty crazy that it's going down. Pretty low, but the overall, if you look back, not too long ago, it was at like 17,000, 26,000. So we're doing okay. So that's today's video. Keep you updated on everything else.